What's going on, guys? It's Alex or Carbonemus here. Today this is my first video on my channel, so I would like to do a nice and exciting big build tutorial. This is a 23 by 23, so it is going to be hard to find some land for this area, but if you can, it looks really nice. I must warn you, if you're building as I go through the time, I will make changes. I will put some window frames up and I will demolish a little bit of stuff, but without further ado, let's get right into the build. Alrighty guys, I did mention you can make changes to this. This wall right here you can actually demolish and you can make entries. If you are a bigger tribe, I'm not sure if you're going to really want this depending on what you're wanting to have here, because behemoth gates don't fit between this anymore. But if you want to do something small like this and patch up the doors and the walls like as I'm doing now, I'm going to do it on the other side right quick, 1 second. This is what the outcome would actually look like. It looks pretty cool. It's more of an appearance thing, and if it's PvP, I don't know if you're going to want to do that. You could put turrets up, you can do a bunch of stuff. PvE, that would probably be pretty cool. If you guys did enjoy the content, please like and or subscribe. I would really enjoy some feedback. And it's been Carbonium, guys. Later.